Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding confidence. Let's begin with taking some advice from a tree. Stand tall and be proud. Go out on a limb. Reach for the sky. Adapt to change. Branch out. Stay grounded. Remember your roots. Drink plenty of water. Get rid of dead wood. Be confident. Never stop growing. Bend before you break. Turn over a new leaf and enjoy the view. It is confidence in our bodies, minds, and spirits that allow us to keep looking for new adventures. It's been said whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. I believe you can. Remember, you have something unique to offer the world, as you are the only person on earth who can use your ability. Make it a great day.